Hi again, Marcy Davis here from Quick Start Piano, where adults learn by playing the music they love most. And today we've got more Christmas music. We're going to be using this book here, Holiday Classics by Piano Pronto, available at pianopronto.com. Now you do not need this book. You can learn the pieces just by watching me play, and I will show you how to play them. But if you are a collector of books and you enjoy reading sheet music, this book is amazing. It has 3 versions for each tune. The first one, you just play the melody notes, and so it's very simple and easy to play. The second version, you add a few more harmony notes, and the third version adds the most harmony notes of all. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a 4th version where I will play all of the melody notes, the notes with the words, all of those with the right hand, and we'll be putting chords underneath with the left hand. Let's take a look. We will do the right hand melody first, followed by the chords. So we're going to start off in C position, 3rd finger on E for the first note. G, G, F, E. E, D, E, G, E, D, C. And then the second 2 lines are just a repeat of the first. So far, so good. The next part gets a little trickier. We're going to jump up. We're going to put our 3rd finger on the G. A, G, F, E. And then we're going to switch and put our 3rd finger on the next position. F, G, F, E, D. And then switch again. E, F, E, D, C. And then we're back to C position, back to where we belong. So part of the reason we're doing that is because there's a little pattern. And if you move your fingers, you end up using the same fingers for each pattern. So just think about, you're going to do G pattern with 3rd finger, F pattern with the 3rd finger again, and then E pattern, and then you're back down in your C home bass. So let's do the Gloria again. Switch, switch, and you're back. And then we're going to stretch. Normally our left hand would do that, but our left hand's going to be busy playing chords. And then because there's a big gap there, we're going to just jump back to C home bass. Then we'll do that pattern switching again on the Gloria. 3 on F, 3 on E. And then a stretch to the G, and then bounce back up to C home bass. Now, when we play this, you could actually, if you're playing up here, you'll have more room to do your chords, and you'll have to play this stretching note with your right hand. But if you play down here, you could actually let your left hand play that note. So those are options of how you want to do it. I will demonstrate both ways. So let's take a look at the chords. We're only going to have 3 chords for this song. We're going to have our good old C major and our F, which some people have learned that as the up hand shape. You can leave out the middle note if you don't know it. And there's C again. And then we've got G. Some people have learned that as the down hand shape, and you could leave out the middle note. So just those 3 notes. So we could play it here. Oops, sorry, missed my G. Okay, now we're moving up. C on the left hand, F on the left hand, C on the left hand, G, and then you notice instead of going like that, you could just let the left hand have that melody. Left hand takes over the melody. Then I'm going to give you another option on that little. You could switch chords on In Excelsis Deo. I think I like that combination. So it would be C, G, C, F. That's a lot of fast switching, 1 per beat, but if you're up for it, you might like the sound. So it would be C, G, C, F. we play it up an octave higher, your right hand will have to stretch down to hit that. So let's just show what that would look like. I kind of like it. You notice I did a little tricky thing. I moved out of my C position because I knew I was going to have to stretch, and it's more comfortable to stretch from here than from here. Then back. Jump up. So there we have it. Have fun with it. I'll see you at your next lesson. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, if you have an idea or a request for a tutorial that you would like to see, maybe a favorite tune or a certain aspect of music that you would like to see demonstrated, drop me a note in the comments. I'll see what I can do.